Hey everybody, it's Terry, D-Lab, and I'm here with Chad. Now he's playing like a real solid state amp with some tubes up front, right? Tubes up front, so that's good. So now we want to see if he could play that same thing on the little D-Lab RCA Victor Princeton style amp. So this is something I've never done before. I normally do not have a bass type of player in these amps, right? So this could be like a real disaster, dude. It could be great though. And I guess we'll let you guys be the judge. So let's hook up the D-Lab amp. Go ahead and play, man. Hit. Okay.
It's clean, man.
I know. See, this is called 6v6 push-pull RCA Victor. So
it's pure. Right on.
Let it happen, man. Super cool. Now, you said you got a little drum machine deal? So this jobber used to be a police radio. I bought this at a swap meet for a pittance. Right? I'm not going to say how much. And then I converted it. That's another D-Lab word.
Oh, yeah.
Converted it to a guitar amp. We rolling, man?
We're rolling. I don't know how to zoom it in.
The top thing says zoom.
Oh, boy.
You got it?
It's on the very top here?
Yeah, man. It's got a wide and narrow thing.
There we go.
There you go. All right, man. So here it is, the old RoboCop police radio demo.
All right, same riff here.
Same riff. That's a little brighter.
It's a little bit brighter. It's got a little bit of that tube growl to it. So it's,
well, let me give you a little more El Bass-aramus. Okay, go ahead.
Do it.
All right, so this is special on here.